Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here, ready for our next golden ticket assembly with shout outs as well to some amazing children. It's Friday, the 15th of May, and this is obviously for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 and all these wonderful golden ticket winners. We're giving lots of shout outs as well. Some amazing children who are working so hard and posting lots and lots on Class Dojo. We're going to kick off in year 3. And we've obviously got some amazing superstars. You've got lots and lots. You'll see from Miss White, you've got Oliver, you've got Abby, you've got Harry, Layla, Blake, Ivor, Sophie, Tyler, Olivia, Amelia and Botan, all working so hard. You look at that, you see an amazing amount of work going on throughout. Lots of different things, lots of science, lots of maths, lots of history, lots of reading going on throughout, lots and lots. Even a bit of decorating there, Tyler helping out, scraping the walls there. Fantastic, and I know Miss White's so impressed with everything you guys have been posting on Class Dojo. Olivia as well, getting out, enjoying the sunshine. That's what I said last week. Really get out, it's really good for our mental health. Get out in the sunshine and really enjoy yourselves as well. Get lots and plenty of exercise. Miss White's golden ticket though this week goes to Really? Well done, Riley, you absolute superstar. Look at you, you're out as well there with your sister as well, getting lots and lots of exercise, helping out with your little brother as well. Keep talking about helping out with our siblings and getting on at home. And you're absolutely doing that. Lovely smiley face there with your 11 times tables as well, and doing lots and lots of lovely cooking as well. And it looks delicious, whether that's so. Huge congratulations. Your golden ticket's winging its way to you very shortly. Look out for it in the post, you little superstar. Keep up, keep posting on Class Dojo. Well done, fantastic and well done. Moving on, we've got Mr. Ackerman's. Mr. Ackerman again shows lots and lots of superstars here, and you'll see. Doreen working feverishly. Mia, Clover, Lily, Oliver, Caden, Reggie and Bella, all working so hard. Lily, I love your pizzas there with your smiley faces, they're fantastic. Look really tasty as well, so they do look delicious. All of you working. Caden, amazing bit of handwriting going on as well with your spellings, keeping it up. Oliver out doing exercise and Clover enjoying the sunshine. We've got Mia here as well, which says be safe, and she's done that up later with a lovely rainbow there on the plate. So fantastic, guys. Keep up the amazing work. Keep smiling. Keep posting on Class Dojo. It's really lovely to see. And I know Mr. Ackerman is so impressed. But Mr. Ackerman has chosen for the golden ticket this week. It goes to Jessica. Well done, Jessica, you superstar. You've been working so hard and really well deserved, huh? I know Mr. Ackerman has been so impressed with everything you've been posting on Class Dojo. Look out for this golden ticket. It's really well deserved. It's yours. It's winging its way in the post to you. Fantastic. Keep it up, hun. Keep posting on Class Dojo. Absolute superstar. Moving on, we've got year 4. You'll see Miss Barrett, superstars. You can see again, Miss Barrett has chosen masses of you. Look, we've got Amber, we've got Erica, we've got Adriel, Angel, Summer, Martin, Kieran, Joe, Freya, Alicia, Xavier, and Ashton. Working so hard. Xavier, loving the haircut there, buddy. Just about to see it there. And also you've got a little mouse as well. It's amazing, buddy. So much different work. Kieran with his flags ready for the VE Day celebrations. Fantastic, buddy. Really good. And Summer, some lovely little pizzas as well, which look delicious. The food you are posting looks so scrummy. So keep it up, guys. Keep doing the amazing work as well. What I can say though, Miss Barrett's golden ticket that goes to Alicia, you absolute superstar. Well done. Look at that. Getting out, doing your exercise, working so hard, doing lots of cooking as well. Really working hard though throughout. So well deserved, hun. Look out for this winging its way into the post. You are absolute superstar, and I know Miss Barrett's really impressed with how much you are posting on Class Dojo because it is massive. So please do keep it up. Huge congratulations. Really well deserved. Look out for this in the post, hun. Keep it up. Moving on, we've got Mr. Pinner's superstars, and again you'll see from this wall of superstars, you've got Oliver, Janisa, Amelia, Nadia, Joshua, Dragos, Bianca, Josh, Colby, and Diego. Diego, they're keeping up his skills there, working really hard, getting his exercise in. Lots of you working so hard. Lots of smiley faces as well, which I keep talking about last week. It's really lovely to see all of you smiling while you're doing your work and having an amazing time doing that. Please do keep up. I know Mr. Pinner's really impressed with how much you are posting on. Mr. Pinner's golden ticket though this week goes to Cornelius, you superstar. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. Mr. Pinner has been blown away by the amount of work you're doing. The reading, the writing, the maths. It's been non-stop from you, buddy. He is so impressed with you. Please do keep it up. Look out for this golden ticket. That's really well deserved, buddy. Huge congratulations. It's winging its way in the post to you very shortly. So keep up the good work. Keep posting on Class Dojo. You superstar. Moving on to year 5, we've got Miss Healing Superstars again. An amazing wall of superstars. We've got Kyle, we've got Frankie, we've got Cody, we've got Chloe, Blake, Scarlett, Callum, Jeffrey and Nikita. All of you working so hard. Getting on with your siblings, helping out, getting some exercise. Really well done. I know Mrs. Healing's really impressed with all of you and everything that you are posting on Class Dojo. You are working so hard, guys. Lots of fantastic things going on and keep it up. Please do keep it up. Miss Healing's golden ticket though goes to Frankie! Well done, Frankie. You'll see doing a huge amount of reading, huge amount of work, getting lots and lots of exercise as well, which is what I said last week, really important for our mental health and keeping as well. Frankie, you absolute superstar. You are doing so much work. Mrs. Healing is so impressed. Big smiles as well. I know you're hiding behind your book at the moment there, but look out for this golden ticket. It's winging its way to you. It's really well deserved, Frankie. Fantastic, hun. Keep it up. Brilliant effort. Moving on. Now, Miss Musselwhite, again, you'll see we've got another massive wall there of superstars. You've got Katie, Leon, Amelia, Lola, Angel, Tedas, Jamie, Emily, Sophie and Blossom. There's masses of work. You'll see there the amount of writing, the amount of maths. Thumbs up from Tedas. Yes, Tedas, well done, buddy. Big smile. That's what I want to keep on seeing on Class Dojo. Lots of smiling faces while you're doing your work. And just really looks like you're really enjoying yourself and posting some amazing work. And Miss Musselwhite is just so impressed with how much you are posting. Please do keep that up. Miss Musselwhite's golden ticket, though, goes to Ellie. Well done, Ellie. You superstar. Really well deserved. You see, just constantly, real focus there. Reading every single day, keeping up your reading record. Lots of you are doing that. You have done that superbly. Getting out, doing your exercise. That's a bit dangerous. I don't think I'll be trying that at home, but you look like you're doing it very safely. Huge congratulations, son. Well done. Look out for this. Winging it away in the post to you. Super fast, along with your sisters as well. Fantastic family effort there. So well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Fantastic. Keep posting on Class Dojo. Keep up the amazing work. Moving on to year 6. And you'll see Mr. Davison again, lots and lots of these superstars, and you'll see all the way through. You've got Amy, you've got Alfie, you've got Shay, Nicole, Chloe, Leona, you've got Jacob, Tia, and Maisie Ray. Jacob's tower, this Lego tower is ridiculous. I think that's going up to the ceiling. I know I set a challenge on Radio Norfolk about can you build a tower as tall as yourself out of Lego. That's bonkers, Jacob. That looks like it's hitting the ceiling. It looks really skilled because it's self-supporting. So fantastic, that, Jacob. Amazing work going on throughout. Lots of cooking going on. All of you, it looks so delicious, the things that you are cooking. So you're going to have to share some recipes. That's what I always ask. Most of the posts that I send back is please share your recipes. So fantastic. And Tia doing decorating there as well as her brother was earlier on as well. So Mr. Davison's golden ticket this week goes to... Here it comes. It's coming very shortly. Olivia Marie. Well done, Olivia. There it is, hun. Okay, it was worth the wait, wasn't it, hey? Brilliant effort, hun. Superb. I mean, it's lovely, the VE Day celebrations there. It looks like you had a lovely picnic tea with a lovely banners that are going out. But you have been posting so much work. Well done, hun. Keep up the amazing work. Absolute superstar. It's brilliant to see how much work you are doing. So please do keep up. Look out for this golden ticket. Wing this way. It's really well deserved. Well done, hun. Fantastic. Keep up really good effort. Moving on, we've got, obviously, Miss Percy's again. You'll see some amazing superstars. You've got Rachel, Ghislaine, Mia, Poppy, Jack, Stephen, and Tobias. All of you working so hard. And I know that Miss Percy's so impressed with Tobias there with all of his brothers as well, enjoying the VE Day celebrations. Were lovely to see as well. Getting out in that sunshine, enjoying the outdoors. You can see Mia today. She was hiding in her book when she won the golden ticket last week. You can see her there enjoying, I'm going to say smoothie. It may well be a chocolate milkshake, but it looks like a smoothie there. So well done, guys. Ghislaine, did you beat Bart there? That Jenga, looks like you might be on the way to a win, so I hope you did. But please do keep up, getting on with your siblings, really doing as much work as you possibly can and posting as much as you can as well on Plus Dojo. Well done, guys. Please do keep up. Miss Percy's golden ticket, though, goes to you'll see. Maria, amazing Maria, well done. Huge congratulations. So much work. I know last week I spoke about your piano piece and how amazing that was and how we'd love to share that with the rest of the whole community of Mum so they can really hear how beautiful that is. But actually, what I'm really impressed with here is these donutty types covered in sugar ice, whatever they are. I need the recipe for those, please, because they look absolutely delicious, mouthwatering. But the work you've been producing as well has been amazing. So congratulations, huge congratulations, along with your sister there. Golden tickets winging its way on the post to you very shortly. Huge congratulations. Well done, Maria, you superstar. Keep it up. Well done. Finally, it just leaves me to say, my final message is, you are all brilliant. You absolutely are all brilliant. I am so thankful to every single one of you. The message still is stay safe, stay in and stay well. Obviously, there's lots of government information out there about when schools will reopen. Please, we will let you know when that is safe. When it's safe for your children, when it's safe for you, and when it's safe for the teachers to all be back in school. Please look out. There'll be messages coming to you, but I'm not going to bombard you until we absolutely know. We're in the planning phase at the moment, and we will let you know when it is safe for your children to return to school. Clearly, the government have given out advice on when they would like that to happen. We will be the ones who decide that, and will choose that for the benefit of our community of Marcos and keeping us all safe. We've done that so far. We've kept most of us safe. I want to continue doing that. So please support us in that and be fairly patient, because the information will come out when we are ready. But at present, we are planning that. So please, stay in, stay well, stay safe, and see you all soon. Bye-bye now.